hello there, YouTube. I've been riding the excuse me, I've been riding the Goldwing for the last couple days, so I thought I'd ride this one today. I don't know where I'm going, just for a ride. It's nice out though. There's no sun. It's a little cool. I'm gonna put my helmet down. It's Saturday. What is it? October 8th? I don't have a lot to talk about. Excuse me, I don't know why I'm still coughing. What a nice day though. I like this nice cooler weather. October, so much nicer. Yep, I'll turn it off for now. I don't want to hit any kids. Yeah. Well, I had to come back home and get my my son's garage door opener. I gotta go check on the dog. Might be able to. Yeah, it is gonna back up good. I'll check on the dog. They're having their second child today, so we got a new grandson. Just had a granddaughter about 8 days ago, so they're 8 days apart. So that's exciting. They're in Houston. Turn it off. Okay, I saw something up here like a spotted cat, a great big cat, like a panther. Let's see what it is. Let's see what this is. Ooh, that is not a normal cat. That is not a normal cat. I don't know what that is. That almost looks like a panther. That was weird. This is downtown. God dang it, as soon as I start talking, I cough. Downtown Fate, Texas. My son lives in Fate, so I'm going to go let the dogs out. dog out. I call her Doggus. Cool little downtown. Over there. Beautiful day. I got on my mesh jacket. Probably take it off, but I'm not hot, not cold. My son likes that witch. I've never tried it. There's a grocery store near them, but man, is it expensive. I spent like $6.50 on a half gallon, a half and half. That place is overpriced. My son and daughter-in-law live in this great big neighborhood right here. Not there, over this way. It's a huge neighborhood. Right down here. I'll turn it off so you don't actually see their address. Bye. Well, I saw some campers up here. I always go by these places and I never stop, but my wife and I are going to get one once I retire. I'm going to retire in about 4 years. Can't do anything until I retire because I still work and it's just really busy. Close my shield. It should be up here. I had to go all the way up there like 3-4 miles just to turn around. It should be up here pretty soon. It should be open on a Saturday. The only bad thing is you can't find any vehicles. Like I don't have anything big enough to tow it. So I'm thinking, oh, there it is. I'm thinking a full-size SUV for my wife. And then if I get a full-size SUV, maybe I'll get an electric car for me. I want to see. I think I can get in there. I don't know how to get in there. Well, I don't want one of them great big ones. I just want a towable one. God, even a drivable one if I could find one. A good price. Let's go check it out.